DirectFix.com presents
the HTC Droid Incredible 2 Screen Replacement Guide. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Using a case opener tool, remove the battery back cover. As well as the battery. With a T5 Torx driver, remove the 7 Torx screws shown. With your case opener tool, separate the plastic back case. Remove these 2 small Phillips screws located near the top of the motherboard. Remove the vibrating module out of its small socket. Disconnect the ribbons for the LCD as well as the touch buttons. You can now carefully lift up the motherboard. On the underside of the motherboard is the ribbon for the touch panel. Carefully lift up the connector and remove the ribbon, allowing you to fully remove the motherboard. Use a heat gun on the back of the screen assembly frame, loosening the adhesive, allowing you to remove the screen. Do the same to the front. With the adhesive loosened, very carefully pry the LCD and touch panel away from the frame. Pull back the various ribbons for the touch panel, LCD, and touch buttons, and then very carefully separate the LCD from the touch panel. Carefully separate the touch buttons from the underside of the touch panel. When replacing your screen, you must reuse your touch buttons. Place the touch buttons on the bottom of the replacement touch panel, and then place the LCD over them. We are now going to place our replacement screen into its frame. Be very careful to slide the appropriate ribbons into the appropriate slots. We can now attach the motherboard. Begin by sliding the touch panel ribbon into the bottom of the motherboard. Now flip the motherboard over onto the screen assembly. Place the vibrating motor into its socket and then attach the ribbons for the LCD and touch buttons. Place the two small Phillips screws at the top of the mother. We can now easily place the back plastic case. Now secure the back plastic case with the 7 Torx T5 screws shown. You can now install the battery and battery back cover. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.